I am Whitman Abbott, and I am a controls engineer at JayHawk Fine Chemicals in Galena, Kansas. As a controls engineer, I deal with a lot of fixing stuff and troubleshooting. A lot of the issues I was dealing with was figuring out what broke, when, where, and what, and also helping people figure out that for themselves when it comes to, factory managers and such. TrendMiner has helped me out a lot by just cutting down on time. I work a lot with Siemens products and DCS where I can only pull up one flow valve, pressure, temperature indicator at once. Now I'm able to do multiple ones at once to actually see what broke and when. I mainly use TrendMiner for troubleshooting and isolating a problem. If a certain flow valve goes down, I want to figure out why, or if there's a leak somewhere, I need to figure out why. My next step is go beyond troubleshooting and hook it up to, the process itself, get with the process engineers and figure out how to optimize, our product the best we can. I'm really interested in the golden batch tool and see what I can go for from that. I would recommend TrendMiner. Learn its capabilities beforehand, so that way you know what you're doing when you get it, because it will be it's user-friendly but complicated.